Ooh. I'm scared of crap. I don't watch. You can't see me. You can't see me in here. I can't. He's over there. He's over there. The window's open. I'm gonna try to get him back over here. The window's open. He's probably somewhere on the other side of the house with his ears propped up or something. We're gonna go find the little feller. He lives over there next door. It's their new dog, and he just roams around. I guess I know he has a cage or something, but sometimes he just comes over here randomly and he wants to play. So I guess he didn't see me out here, so I guess he's just probably looking for me or something. He looks skinny. He looks like he needs something to eat, but we're gonna go see if we can find him. Here we go. Here we go. Here goes nothing. We're gonna go on this side. Well, there's none over there. I looked around that side and I didn't see him nowhere. Now I'm gonna go walk this way. I have no shoes on, and I'm kind of afraid if there's like sand spurs in the backyard, but screw it. We're gonna find this dog. Y'all even saw he went on that side. So alright, we're gonna walk, and here we are at the end of the trailer. And there is this cage back there, if you can see that. But anyway, there's a cage back there, and I think he goes in there and stays. What the heck is that? Is that it? Is that him? There's another dog back there, I think. Yeah, there's another dog in the cage. But the cage you usually get, because one day he came in the backyard. Ow! Look at that. There's one in my freaking foot. They're all in my yard. If you don't know why there's a big giant hole-looking thing in there, go watch my tree root pulling videos. It's in a playlist. There's only 2 parts to it, but my dad took my uncle's truck and pulled the roots out of here and had some fun. But yeah, here we go. By the way, I fixed my W. Griffin channel videos, and I made some. Dude, I turned around and he's right there, and he just took off. I was throwing like this. All I see is at the corner of my eye is the dog, and I just move a little bit, and he just look. There he is. There he is. Come here. Y'all see him? Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at this. I like messing with this dog when he comes over here. But if y'all see him, he looks skinny. Oh, okay. Holy crap. Dude, I didn't know where he came from. He was like, arr, arr. No way, he just... You see him right there? He went around, and where he came from when I got scared was right there. So I guess he ran around the whole thing. You see him? Look. Arr. He's not moving now. try to get to him. So he just runs. He acts like he's... Oh crap, here he comes. All of a sudden... Dude, he's chasing me. Oh, grab him. Oh crap, here he comes, here he comes. Watch, I'm gonna move, watch. Oh my god. Where'd he go? His bark ain't even scary. Where'd he go? I think his owner came out. But I might want to stay low key for a little bit because I think his owner just... If y'all ever see a video of me and Brad and you see that dog, that's where the heck he's from. I've been waiting for him to come out here again to do a video about him to show you guys that he just randomly comes around here. Let me just check something. But his owner owns a lot of dogs too. I mean cats.